How to fix Telegram message format issues. If messages in Telegram look weird, like broken formatting or missing emojis, it could be due to the app version or device compatibility. Update Telegram to the latest version on all your devices. Sometimes formatting glitches happen on outdated apps. Check your device's font settings. Some custom fonts may not support Telegram's emoji or markdown formatting. If you are sending Markdown or HTML formatted messages, ensure your syntax is correct. Telegram supports simple Markdown like bold and italic. When copying formatted text from other apps, paste it first in a plain text editor to plain formatting. Have you experienced weird message formats? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.